Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video, I'm going to talk to you about upper limits. So it was a term coined by Gay Hendricks in his book, The Big Leap. It's a phenomenal book and really worth reading. But basically what an upper limit is we actually set a limit of success, joy, happiness, abundance for ourselves. And once we reach that limit, what happens is something comes up and all of a sudden we drop back down. So what happens is we create a comfort zone for ourselves. So we keep ourselves within a range. So if we're talking money, for example, you get to a certain level of finances, and then all of a sudden, once you hit that level, all these unexpected things come up, worries come up, all of these negative experiences come up, and you find yourself dropping back down. And then you'll get to a lower limit where all of a sudden where things get really bad and you're uncomfortable and things start to change. So your mindset changes and you start getting positive and the abundance starts to rise again. So what happens is we tend to do this in all areas of our lives. So whether it's health, whether it's relationships, finances, whatever it is, what happens is we create an upper limit for ourselves. And moving beyond that is a major stress, and there are many reasons for it. And we'll go through a lot of those reasons when we look at things like blame, we look at criticism of others, all those sorts of things come up. A lot of genetic beliefs will trigger your upper limits as well. So it could be that, not going beyond your ancestors or going beyond, your family members, those sorts of things that will create those upper limits. So have you ever experienced where you found that perfect relationship, you met that wonderful partner, and everything is absolutely fantastic for you? Things are going wonderful, and then all of a sudden, it's like you hit a brick wall. All of a sudden, like that person starts changing, or you start having doubts about the relationship, or you start having concerns or worries that maybe this person is not being honest with you or something. So all of a sudden what happens is we reach these high levels of success where we're happy and we may have reached our goals, and all of a sudden things start to change, things start to go backwards. So that's what upper limiting is all about. And it's really important to recognize the limits that you've set for yourself and allow yourself to constantly continue moving through those limits. Even things like change can be a real stress for a lot of people. So it's really important to recognize what these things are and shift them for yourself. So I actually have a practice night on upper limits that will actually be running on Tuesday night. So it'll be absolutely fantastic. If you're seeing this after this video, then it will be available on our website. But you'll be amazed how understanding your upper limits and the things that you've set for yourself will actually transform your life, because once you recognize that you're setting these upper limits, you can actually do something about it. And understanding what the triggers are for these upper limits, to recognize the right things to watch out for when you start feeling like you're blaming others or criticizing, etc. And there's many other ones that I'll go through as well. But it's actually really phenomenal in transforming your life and creating the life the way you desire it to be. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with people that you love and care about. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.